Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is February 28 and we're going to be looking at the chart of the FTSE 60 minutes time frame here. We ended with 3 over here and now in the process of doing with 4, and potentially can see more downside in the shorter cycle as long as we don't break above 8818. Now there's a little bit of a relative differences here. As you know, in the past few years, US market has been always outperform all the other indices in the rest of the world, right, including European. But now I think the DAX and the FTSE holds up much better than the US indices. US indices have started to do further downside, further pullback when you look at the Nasdaq, Russell, and so on, while the European still quite holding up pretty well at the high. So here we're looking for potentially there is pullback to follow, the path of the US market now, which is selling off, and potentially can see another leg down in the Y leg into this area 84.75, 85.87 before finding potentially support from here for 3 years rally. Now if the downside becomes a little bit bigger, then this actually can become like a 1-2 and then become a 3 and goes into a bigger 5 ways down. But at the least for now, as long as we stay below 8818, we can see another leg down, and this is sort of the potential target on the downside here in the FTSE. Now if I zoom out into the daily time frame, I'm going to copy this 3 and the 4 in the daily over here. So that's your 3 and that's basically your 4, which is in progress now. Right, so if you take a look at this structure here, so we got this low here which looks like a 1 and 2 here, and it doesn't look like completed. I mean, it looks like you can say 3 and 4 here, but it's kind of a little bit shallow compared to this. So it is possible that it is ending. It is possible. So I could place 3 and 4 here, and this is a 5, but that still also doesn't mean it doesn't mean that we are done already in terms of the rally. And if you take a look at it from here, I can, let's say, in the larger time frame, in the larger degree, I can call this another 1 and 2 in the FTSE, right? And so you got a 1 2 and then 1 2. So this is one possibility, like this. Another possibility is like this. Now if I call it completed here, still doesn't necessarily mean we are done from here. I think from here is still looking incomplete, the structure. So all it means is the degree changes. So instead of with 4 in black, it's going to be with 4 in a higher degree, but it will be still most likely still extend higher again. So just the degree changes, but overall we can still, I mean, if you look at the larger time frame, it looks incomplete, the structure to the upside. So the pullback therefore still can find support in 3-7-11 swing. All right, so shorter cycle again, we're looking for more downside below 8818. Potential target is this area, and then let's see how it goes, and whether or not we can find support here. So if you want to get more updates, please feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. We cover many different indices, stock, ETF, and Forex pairs. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.